Hello everyone and welcome to my very first video tutorial. In this video tutorial we are going to register a domain for our website and for this video course. So if you want to learn more about the domain name, you can read this article on Wikipedia, and to register a domain name we need a domain registrar, and the biggest domain registrar is GoDaddy. So let's go to GoDaddy. Okay, now you can put your term or your keyword along with extension or simple the term, and GoDaddy will tell you if the domain is available or not. Like I want to register a domain for reviews and deals, so I'm gonna search reviewanddeals.com. Let's see if it is available or not. Okay, reviewsanddeals.com is available. So I'll be right back after buying this domain. I'll pause the video. As you can see that we have registered the domain reviewanddeals.com, and now we have a domain, and the next thing is we need a hosting to host this domain. So in the next video we will buy hosting for this domain. And this is all for this video, and thanks for watching it. Hello everyone and welcome to my another video tutorial. In this video we are going to buy hosting for our domain we registered in the last video. So there are so many hosting providers like Bluehost or HostGator. You can buy hosting from any hosting provider, but for this video series I'll buy hosting from a local website, which is hosting.co.in. Okay, now it's not recommended to buy a Windows hosting. Make sure that you choose the Linux one. And if you want to host a single domain, make sure that there is a hosting for single domain and for multiple domain. So we are going to host a single domain, so I'll buy this hosting by now. Now on the step second, every hosting provider will ask you that if you want to buy a host from them, or if you want to transfer a domain to that hosting company, or if you already have a domain. So if you already have a domain, make sure that you will choose this option. I will update my name server on an existing domain, or I will register a new domain. So click this, type your domain name. Okay, click continue. Okay, so I'll be right back after buying this domain. So after buying this hosting, okay, so I purchased the hosting from hosting.co.in, and here is our cpanel. So we bought the hosting for our website, and in the next video we will add the name server of this hosting company to the domain. Let me do it right now. Okay, we got a confirmation mail of all the settings of our cpanel here, and these are name server 1 and name server 2. We will use these name server to add our domain on GoDaddy to the cpanel. So what you have to do, you have to just log into your GoDaddy and click the domain which you want to add to the hosting. Like we want to add the reviewanddeals.com, so click on it. Now you will see some configuration here. Make sure that in the setting tab click this name server manage, and it's a hyperlink. Click on it and you will see that a pop-up came up, and there is two options for domain name server or DNS, standard and custom. Standard one are GoDaddy or GoDaddy name server, but we want to host our domain to some other web hosting company. So click this custom and click enter new or enter custom name server, and you'll see that there are two boxes. So copy the name server one, paste it here, copy the name server second, paste it here. One more thing, in the case you get more than two name server, like you get name server 1, name server 2, 3 and 4, so don't worry, you can click this add name server and you can add as many as name server as you want. Okay, so after putting your name server, click OK and save. Now you will get a confirmation message that your request has been submitted. Changes may take a few moments to take effect. Now let's visit our site and see if it is up or not. Okay, so it says that the web page is bug free, website is not up. When our domain will actually propagate to our cPanel, we will get some other error here. Okay, so this is all for this video, and thanks for watching it.